Uterine fibroids. Introduction. Are uterine fibroids cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. Uterine fibroids are not associated with cancer. They virtually never develop into cancer, and they do not increase a woman's risk for uterine cancer. Most fibroids do not cause any symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Fibroids can often be felt during a pelvic exam. Select true or false. Correct. Sizable fibroids can be felt during an examination of the pelvis. Which one of the following therapies is usually recommended for women who have uterine fibroids but do not show any symptoms? Choose one of the following options. 1. Regular observation. 2. Leiomyomectomy. 3. Hysterectomy. Correct. Some women never notice any symptoms or have any problems associated with fibroids. For these women, no treatment is necessary. Thank you for using Explain.